people, how are we today? Welcome back into the greenhouse. If we haven't met already, I am Sam. I'm your plant collector in Melbourne. Today, I have an exciting video. Aren't they always? I am doing another unboxing. This is probably the only time in my life where I feel like I have been able to put majority of my energy into Plant Collector Melbourne, so there's so much happening. I've managed to film like 3 or 4 videos in 1 week, which has been insane, and there's lots of boxes and new plants coming in, so it's been really fun. And today's video I have a huge box of amazing plants. I have no idea what is in this box. I feel like they're plants that I have previously stocked before. Nevertheless, my supplier loves to give me stuff without telling me exactly what's in it, and that way I am as surprised and as excited just as you are. Actually, before I get started, I should also remind you that if you feel that you're enjoying my planty content, please feel free to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the box. Okay, this is probably the biggest box that I have to date. Bam! So let me put it down and let's grab my trusty knife. I don't have my knife with me today, but I've got these secateurs that will do the trick anyway. I'm wondering how many plants are in this box. I am going to guess that there's probably close to 20 plants, but a lot of them will be of the same species. Oh! So the packaging, wow, I am very impressed. My suppliers get better and better with their packaging. I'm going to take the camera, which is not what I normally do because I always like the frame being perfect and in one spot, but stuff it, I'm going to grab you. So this is currently the box. We've got some tissue paper, and so I'm going to grab all of those. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. Stunning. Stunning. I have never personally experienced plant packaging like this before, but it's such an awesome way because it stops the leaves from moving. So you got a sneak peek already. Now let's get them out of the box. Like I said, it is definitely things that I have had in the past, but I do have a couple of things that I have not received from this supplier before. So we're very excited. Let's get through things that I've previously had. This is so cool. I love that they're packaged like this. Unwrap that. Ooh la la! So this is what I believe, or what we call it, is the golden ring of fire. This one has just recently come up in the market, and I truly believe not enough people know about it. It is a delightful plant because it's got the incredible shape like a ring of fire, a jungle boogie, however you would like to call it. But the color of the plant is like a neon, and the new leaves come out orange. So this one's kind of almost matured already, but hopefully you can see the color difference. And when the new leaves come out, they are vivid orange. There's like a little caterpillar like in between there, hopefully you can see, and that is a better indication of the orange. That is stunning plant, and I think I've got 2 left of these, but they're definitely smaller. So these ones are very considerable in size. It is amazing. Yep, I think I only have 2 of these. Yes, and this specimen will show you exactly what I'm talking about with the orange, like the bright orange leaf. Bam, baby, bam. Do you see how gorgeous this plant is? It is a limey neon leaf with some orange and pretty much a deep dark red orange amazingness. People are going to be so happy because I constantly get messages about these beautiful plants. Ta-da! This is a Alocasia Mellow. But these plants are just so bloody gorgeous because of the texture. They feel and look like they're fake because they feel so thick, that it almost feels like plastic. And in my experience, I've had a couple of alocasias like a capria, a silver dragon, a green dragon, a frydek. I also have an aslanii, and I have found that the mellow has been the hardiest out of all of them. You don't have to water as much, and they definitely tell you when they need a water, which is such a surprise because I thought that the corrugation or the texture of the plant, normally when you see that in nature, majority of the time they are fussy plants that like humidity. This, of course, loves the humidity, but I think that they're just way hardier than all of my other alocasias. So, mellow. Whoa, okay, mayday, soil is everywhere. All right, so this third one had like this leaf in the soil. Bugger. You can see like that's where the soil, and it kind of stayed wet for a while. Oh well. Leaves are leaves. This is really fun opening it like this, purely because I feel like it's almost like Christmas when you're opening up all your Christmas presents. The satisfying. Ooh, okay, so we've got some, I know what this is. We got some great, beautiful Mamys Balm. Oh, these silver clouds. But this one is actually a really awesome size. The silverness of the leaf. They even have like cute little ruffles on the petioles. This one's very, like, it's a great seedling. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 leaves. So that is gorgeous. So I'm going to keep the best ones to last because you know that's how I roll. This one I have had before, and these are some gorgeous variegated Epipendum Pinatum. So that one. This one is a very decent size. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Like the 5th one is on its way. And we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 nodes. This one has beautiful variegation. So this one is definitely a smaller specimen, and it does not surprise me because anything with variegation always tends to be a bit slower in terms of growing. But this one is way better. Beautiful, beautiful plant. And that one there, this one has 4 leaves, awesome variegation. Like, would you look, that leaf, that looks like camo. That is beautiful. That's pretty much a split leaf. And these ones have lower variegation on the leaves, but that one is also a beautiful specimen. Now we're going to get into the exciting part. Things that I haven't necessarily had in my shop before, and also things that are just bloody gorgeous. I leave the best ones till last. This is some beautiful Philodendron Brytianum, which is one of my favorite philodendron. Literally any philodendron that has silver in it, I am always such a big fan. And I have a 2-leaf here. Oh, the silveriness is beautiful, and a active leaf coming through just there. Such a cutie. And it looks like I have, I'm gonna say 4 or 5 of them. Next up we have something very exciting, and that is, now these are little and they're kind of looking a bit babies, but these are little tiny rings of fire, which I have been wanting to grab some myself, except the price points have always just been redonkulous. But I've got some little baby ones. So the variegation isn't insane. I wouldn't say insane. We've got some pretty good speckles, like that leaf just there. You can see that just there. Some speckling throughout there, and especially at the bottom of the leaf. But these have potential. I'm very excited. I might keep one for myself. Ooh, this one looks a bit more established. It's definitely got more leaves. Variegation wise, probably about the same level. Cute, cutie. Yeah, this one definitely has more leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9's on the way. So yep, that one is definitely bigger than that one. I think I got sent 5. Yeah, I got sent 5. Okay, now let me show you what you saw at the very beginning, and it is the huge rocks. Wow. They are so beautiful with awesome veins. So you've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves just there. Amazing. I think this one definitely needs like something to climb on. That is gorgeous. And I've got 3 of these. Beautiful. So this one seems a little bit darker than the other one, but it could be just because the biggest leaf was just hardening off. So that's pretty fresh. This one's hardened off and it's definitely darker. Ooh, and you're starting to see the awesome veining. And the last rock that I have, awesome size again. That one there. So awesome. So we've got a little bit of a deformed leaf, but that's totally fine. You've got a little bit of blemishes just there, but does not even worry me. That newest leaf is incredible. So I've got 3 more plants, and like I said, I always leave the best ones to last. And I have 2 Paradiso verdes, which I've got to be some of my absolute favorite plants. And this particular supplier always has the best, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, has the best variegated, I won't even say words, I'll just show you. Best variegated Paradiso verdes out. I know that this plant is not for everyone, but just the variegation itself and the fact that it has like the pink margins around the leaf is amazing. And we've got, I cannot wait for you to come out, my friend. Got some awesome roots as well. A super healthy plant. And so I've got another one of these. I think I still have one more left on the website, and now I've got this one and this one. Oh my gosh, and the roots are already coming out from the bottom. The roots are outrageous. Look at them coming out of the pot, at the bottom of the pot in. That is amazing. But would you look at this amazing specimen? Oh my goodness, plants like this. I think the main thing that I really love about this plant is the diversity of its colors. So you've got all of the like variegation, you've got the speckles of green, you've got the pink margins, and you've got like the orangey pink petioles. Isn't it just stunning? I know that it's not for everyone, but I also don't understand why it's not for everyone. Maybe is it because it looks sick? Leave some comments down below. Are you one of those people that are not the biggest fan of a Paradiso verde? Because I just can't see eye to eye. I just think that it is like art. It is like paintings. It is like beautiful colors on a plant. So I've got 2 of those, which means I have a total of 3 Paradiso verdes. Okay, so I've left this one to last purely because I think it's the best. And also because I think I'm going to keep it. What is this? Is this a Mamyratum? I have a feeling this is an Anthurium Mamyratum, like maybe the purple variant or cultivar. This is one of Sam's dream plants. It is so gorgeous. So I'm going to try and figure out whether I should keep this for myself or if I should sell it. But look, you can tell that it is quite young in age, but just look at that color. Like, what? It's like a maroon, like a purple red, and it's probably not going to be able to pick up on camera the best, but it is a stunning plant. And I always tell myself, Sam, you have a plant shop, you need to be selling plants, not keep buying them. Would you just look at those roots? I just found them all at the bottom. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm totally going to show you what the current situation is, because the greenhouse is pretty much filled to the brim. I don't think I've ever had the greenhouse looking so full ever. So let me grab the camera. That is essentially the front door of where I enter. This is my desk where I film, and everything is full. Like, there is no more space on this table. Yeah, and there's some more plants, and we've got those plants and the plants that I've just unboxed, and I've got those plants, which is an absolute mess. Yep, this is the situation. I should probably put them all in a box, but for now I have literally nowhere to step in the greenhouse. And that, my friends, is pretty much the end of this video of the unboxing. I hope you had fun, because I know I definitely did. That is pretty much the unboxing and what is to come at PCM. So I am definitely going to hold these for another week or two to make sure that they're all good. If you guys would be interested to hear about how I climatize my plants or what I do after I receive plants, anything like that, please let me know, because I would love to do a video if you would find that helpful or interesting. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. So thank you guys so much for hanging out in the greenhouse with me, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! Mwah!